house. I am the AfroGirl, and we are live right here with Breakz, where I give you everything entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Now, let's start with our very first story. Ghanaian actor Harold Amenya has recently sparked controversy with his comments regarding his openness to the idea of having a threesome. During a discussion, the actor, who recently got married, expressed his willingness to explore this unconventional relationship agreement if his wife was open to the idea. The topic of threesomes was raised by the host, and Harold Amenya responded saying, "I haven't tried it before, but I am actually open to it." When the host pointed out that Harold was now married, he explained that if his wife was open to the idea, he would be willing to explore it. Now, I feel like, personally, I think that sometimes we talk too much. I think sometimes we just need to keep things between 2-3 friends and then move on with life, especially in the era of social media. You never know where, whatever you say will take you, and then people will also misconstrue everything. This, I think, was totally unnecessary. But moving on, Wendy Shea has raised concerns about the exorbitant import duties imposed on cars, urging the president to take action to alleviate the burden faced by Ghanaians. She took to Twitter to share her frustrations and the frustrations many individuals encounter when importing cars into the country. She put it out in a tweet. So let's read it. She says, "Your Excellency, Mr. President, I know you have the welfare of Ghanaians at heart, but can you please do something about import duties, especially on cars? The import duties on cars are way outrageous. You buy a car in the US for $35,000 and she converts it into cedis and pay $30,000 as duty. Please do something, Mr. President." And this is something that a lot of people have been complaining about, because why am I buying a car for $35,000 and I'm going to pay duty, which is almost the same price as the car? Make it make sense. But to be honest, I'm actually impressed with Wendy Shea. She's actually using her voice to speak on issues that the Ghanaian people can relate to. And so, yes, Ghana, wake up. Now, moving on to our next story. Emoji Beats, the producer behind Sarkodie's hit track, Try Me, has revealed why the track was removed from several streaming sites. On Monday afternoon, fans realized that the song was no longer on Apple Music and other streaming sites. Social media quickly became rife with rumors that it was taken down due to its derogatory and explicit content. Emoji Beats cleared the air and revealed that an unauthorized version of the track was uploaded on various streaming platforms, including Apple Music, by an anonymous person. And upon discovering this release, the Success team swiftly took action to address the issue at hand, and hence the deletion. Now, a lot of people came out to say that he didn't have to come out to say anything and all of that. Some people were even accusing them that they stole the beat for the Try Me song, which I don't know. Where did people get that one from? But yes, now you know why the song is off social media. He put out this tweet. So he says, this guy uploaded the song right after it was leaked. The guy cash out Apple Music and Spotify figure say he be the rightful owner. The Success team is working on taking it down ASAP. Continue streaming on all other platforms. Personally, I didn't even know that it was leaked, because I knew about the YouTube one. I didn't know that, other streaming sites where it was leaked on there. But yes, it's good to know, actually. It's really good to know. But moving to, more entertainment news. Efya, our very own Nocturnal, is the latest Ghanaian to perform at Glitch Africa. And we obviously have her video, so let's see it.
Feeling good, I feel like super. It's a new day, ooh, it's only getting better. Body feeling smooth, I smell like cocoa butter. Chick, ain't you see my gym is seeker. Said once upon a time a little younger. Things have changed.
honest, I don't know. I don't know which one I love better, the actual song or this rendition. But guys, go on YouTube, Glitch Africa. Let's run up the numbers. But that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget, anything entertainment, anything lifestyle, we at MX24, we've got you. So follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.